Part 2.
Part 2
And
of the Animal Rescue Center. Okay.
also, here's a coworker, Allison.
Oh,
And here is
Allison.
Vicky. Vicky.
Hi, Vicky.
She's a too much black girl.
Oh, yeah, she has a lot of... maybe hold her a little bit further away, and then we'll be able to zoom in on her better. There we go.
There
we go. Perfect. Okay.
Vicky, the too much
Who's
black
she
girl.
in charge of?
She's in charge of cats. That's Lucifer. And she really likes. This cat is in quarantine. He broke his neck.
Oh, poor cat.
Thundering outside.
No.
And
there's the cat section.
And he's just laying on his bed.
Oh,
Pink
that's
cat.
cute.
That's kitty.
Cute.
The bunny section. There's a bunny that broke its head, but it has a little flower.
It hurt its head, so that's why it's wearing the flower. That's nice. And
There's
who's in charge of the bunnies?
Well,
let me be a little further away. There we go. A little further away. There, we're going to have to hold her right there, I think will be all right. Let's try that.
Stephanie's friend. Stephanie works.
Oh.
Stephanie is actually the girl that's in charge of dogs, but you haven't seen the dogs yet.
Oh, let's go see the dogs, okay?
After.
Yep.
And then this is...
It's okay.
They have a camper, by the way. So she's Stephanie's friend.
Okay.
That's her name. Here's the bird exhibit. The owl is sleeping right now. Sleeping with its eyes open.
Oh, that's spooky. Cute.
We also have a bat. We should show you the bat.
Oh, no. Oh, and there's a little squirrel down there.
And it's a little bed. It hurt its tail. You may not be able to see.
This is the Animal Rescue Center, so a lot of the animals got hurt. Oh, there's its Band-Aid. That's so good. It's little...
and then also,
who's in charge of the bird section?
The bird section, Tinkerbell.
Oh. Tinkerbell. Oh, here, show us. I was gonna have you. Yeah, I was gonna show you and her. There we go. She's pretty.
She's in charge of the bird. She's in all blue.
Okay.
And then this.
Pretty.
By the way. 1 second.
Okay.
Cut, but don't actually cut. Tinkerbell washed her hair. Can't find
Here's her
it.
hair.
Okay.
It's easy to.
Also, not only is the skull herpes this turtle broke its neck, so it can't put its head inside its shell.
Poor turtle.
Foolish turtle.
Broke his little neck, but he's got a Band-Aid.
Look at this shell.
A little rubber Band-Aid.
Okay.
That's cool.
Put him back in this bed. And then here's the dogs.
Here's this little bed next to the polar bear.
Is in, yeah.
Oh,
Stephanie's
here's
in
Stephanie.
charge.
Oh, good.
She.
Let the dogs out.
No, you let the dogs out. And then there's a huge bowl with 3 dogs.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, can you show her how you made the dog fence opening?
I used that piece.
Can you show how it opens?
Open.
It's okay. So it opens. Like the fence can go up, and then the dogs can go in. It's okay. Take your time.
Here we go.
There we go. And then you can open the dog cage. That's awesome. All right, I'm going to move over here a little bit.
And then the assistant manager is in charge of horses.
Oh,
this
right.
Horse broke its foot.
Okay. Oh, glad it was here at the... Oh, wait, did it come to the Animal Rescue Center because it broke its foot? Or it was here and it broke its foot? Do you know?
It was here because it broke its foot.
Okay, it came here.
And then...
Wait, who's in here?
Wait, what?
Who's in this little area?
Oh. This is a hamster that broke his neck.
Poor little thing.
There hasn't been any hamster breakings.
I hope he feels better soon. That's pretty serious business.
Okay.
Hamster neck breaking. Poor little thing.
Here's the assistant manager.
Oh, that's nice.
Hamster.
Oh, yeah, she's wearing her Employee of the Month necklace, right?
Yeah,
That's cool.
there's the hamster.
Cute. That's super cute. Okay, and then oh, here's one more section.
Yeah, here is the dangerous animal section,
Dangerous animal section.
which has this cobra was stuck in a rock.
Oh, poor cobra stuck in a
And-
rock.
It swallowed its tooth whole.
Oh my goodness. How's it feeling now?
The too much scary lady is
The too much scary lady is in charge of them.
saw too much pink and too much blues.
There we go.
And now the cobra still isn't better. Also, there's a scorpion.
Whoa. Oh, it's scary.
We could get tarantula.
And then I think the other place I was thinking of is the employee lounge area.
Wait, there's no boy lounge area.
Well, this is where the employees have been eating and taking their breaks.
It's like a grill area.
It's a grill with food and drinks. And then in
Here's the camper.
camper, they have pizza and pie. They can rest if they need to. They work really hard, don't they? And then there's
Ice cream.
treats.
Ice creams.
Mhm.
I want ice
Is there
creams.
anything else you wanted to show in the video? Or I think that might be it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you saw it here first. Animal Rescue Center.
Also this shell
Right?
bed
Shell bed.
can open up so a hamster can do it without, and then the hamster can sleep
Right.
without it getting eaten.
That's really
Without
good.
getting eaten, the cats can roam around.
There it is. Animal Rescue Center. Thanks for watching.